Uploading videos is similar to adding any module. To add one to a slide or area on the page, make sure the subtle blue dotted line is outlining the area you wish to add to. If it's not, just click anywhere on the slide so that it is. Now click the blue plus button to access the ePortfolio content library. Once there, scroll down and select the Upload File option. Then either click Choose File to browse your computer or drag and drop the video you wish to upload. The file size limit is 1 GB per file, but there's no limit to the amount of content you can have on a portfolio page. The video appears on the portfolio page right where we want it. You can do this or drag and drop a video saved to your computer directly into your slide. So like all modules, your video can be moved and resized however you see fit. By clicking the pencil-shaped edit button beside our video, we're given the ability to replace the video with a different file. Or we can add more files to it, creating a gallery. To learn more about creating and editing galleries, watch our Creating Galleries tutorial video. Okay, so let's say we want our video to be downloadable for our viewers, or we want to edit captions. Those style settings can be managed by clicking the gear icon beside the video. In this new window to the left, you can choose whether or not to display the file by toggling the switch beside Display File. You can give other users visiting your site the option to download your video as its original file type. You can also adjust settings for your video's caption. To add a caption, simply click on the caption background on your video. It'll be that transparent gray box. Then type in the text box. Now back in our settings window, we can choose to have this sit at the top, the middle, or bottom of the video. I recommend having it at the top, as it can get in the way of interacting with the video. Now we can choose the font, size, color, text alignment, marginal padding, and even the background color and opacity. To have no caption appear for other viewers, simply delete your caption's text. Okay, so let's close that settings window. So with any video you uploaded to a slide, you and your viewers can interact with it by using the built-in media player. Simply click the play button in the middle of the video, pause on the bottom left, control its volume, or even go full screen.